Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, it can be quite concerning. This issue often arises due to a faulty power board or a connection problem within the device. If left unattended, it could lead to further complications, potentially rendering your device completely unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement power board for the TM5. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Begin by securing the device on a soft, flat surface to prevent any scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. Gently lift the top cover off, taking care not to damage any cables attached. Once the cover is removed, you will see the internal components. The faulty part we are looking for is the power board, usually located towards the back of the unit. To locate it, follow the power cable from the display to the board itself. Once you have identified the power board, disconnect the cables attached to it, noting their placement for reassembly later. Remove the screws securing the power board in place and gently lift it out. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new power board and position it in place, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly in place and match the original layout. Once everything is back in position, carefully replace the top cover, making sure it fits snugly. Reinsert all screws at the base, ensuring they are tightened but not over-torqued, as this could crack the casing. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on. You should see the screen light up normally. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure to keep your Thermomix in a well-ventilated area and avoid exposing it to moisture. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch potential problems before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.